Hello everybody, my name is Cophead, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this crosshair in CSGO. Now this crosshair is the direct representation of the vertical recoil for the AK, and I have another one for the M4. Okay, so I'll be showing you these two crosshairs and how how you make them, and how they can be useful in game, and also how to make it so you've got these binds. So first, what you need to do is just go into this map. This is Crash's crosshair generator. So there you go, and he has all this. You can save them and stuff, and you can load them up again, but I wouldn't use that because you can just use this. I'll show you in a second. So first, you make it default, and then you want to go into style 4. You want to change the size to about 6. 2, 4, 6. There you go. And then what you need to do, maybe have it lower if you want. You can have it one higher if you want, but there you go. And then what you want to do is add a dot to it, sort of thing. And then what you want to do is you want to increase the gap so it is big enough. Let's have a look here. And then you can just test on the wall to see whether it is right. It's probably too high. Okay, so almost there. Probably another 2. There you go. That's how you make the crosshair. It's the same with this one. You're just going to have to do a little bit of trial and error with both of them. But then what you want to do is you want to press this. Once you've made your crosshair, you press share crosshair. Now, what you want to do after that is copy this. Command C. Now, once you've copied it, I'm going to show you how to make the toggles for each one. I'm only going to show you how to do it for one though, because doing it for 2 will make the video too long. So we're going to get into my desktop. So here's my desktop. Don't mind about the backgrounds. I like myself some Attack on Titan and Sword Art Online. So what you want to do is you want to go into your Steam file. Now my Steam file is in my hard drive, my 1 terabyte hard drive. Or wherever you put it, basically, just find where it is. And then you go into Steam. You want to go to Steam Apps. Then you want to go into Common. And then after that, you want to go into your Counter-Strike Global Offensive file. After that, you want to go into your CSGO file. And then you want to go to your CFG, which is your config file. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to make a new text document. You can name it whatever you want after you've done this. So you go, oh, whoops. So what you want to do is click on here. Okay, so the new text document. Okay, so the new text document, what you want to do is you want to Control V your file, your copied crosshair configuration here, and then you want to save file, save as, and then what you want to do is map it to something that you can remember, say AK, because that's what it's for, and then you put ak.cfg. You save it. I'm not going to save it because I already have one and I don't want to mess it up, but basically you press save. You cancel, you press save, it will click you out of the thing, and then once you've done that, now what you could do is you could either type in on the thing EXEC. There's a problem with my console. I'll have to fix it later, but there you go. So you put exec M4. There you go. And then once you've done that, it will change your M4 crosshair. Or what you could do, actually I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so you can see the different crosshairs. Alright, you could put EXEC, AK, but get rid of that weird dash that's always there for some reason. There, see how it changed? So after that, what you could do, because that takes too long in game to do it, what you could do instead is you could put BIN bind, let's say N, and then you put a quotation mark, which is Shift and 2, and then you put EXE, that's EXEC, and then you put in AK, and then you close the quotation, and then you press submit. Okay, that drawn the round for some reason. Oh well. Oh, the time ran out. Okay, well.
Watch out. These boys have got a bit of an arsenal and they don't mind using it.
Well, that was the first time that's ever happened. I've been on this map for an hour, have I? Okay. Well, now that I've mapped it, as you saw there, I'll do it again, just if anyone missed it. It's B. Open the console again. Bind. N. It's basically bind space N space quotation and then no space EXEC AK or whatever you've named it, and then you press in no quotation, you press that. Now when you press N, I'm going to change to my different crosshairs, but when you press N it would change to what you've got. You press K, it would change to what you've got, sort of thing. Now that that's all sorted out and you know how to do all that, now basically, if you're like me, to get to N, it's a long distance sort of thing. You know, it takes a little bit of a stretch to get to N if I'm pressing W. So what I tend to do is set up macro keys. Now, if you've got a gaming keyboard, you can set up these macro keys, and it just helps. But don't cheat with them, because you can. I saw Banana Gaming do a video where he used the Razer Synapse thing, where he could just make his mouse and keyboard, make him jump loads and stuff like that sort of thing. So I suggest not doing that. But anyway, now that that's sorted, what you want to do is go into your macro thing. If you've got one, this is my Corsair one. So what you want to do now is you want to map the button that you want, say, in, because that's my normal one. So I'll delete this because I know that's N. Yes. Now what you want to do is you click this, or whatever it is to record a macro. You click your macro key that you want to be selected. You press N. Once that's done, you stop the recording, and there you go. That's what you do. And now when I go back into game, G6 is doing that, and G5 and 6 are doing this, and then N does exactly the same sort of thing. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will put a link to these two or I will make a copy of my crosshairs, so you guys don't have to do this. And I will put this map in the description if you want to create your own crosshairs. So anyway, if you gave me a like, that'd be really appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.